Hey guys, let's make some granola.
Hey guys, it's Becky at Split Nut Ranch. I'm going to make some granola. I call it Cuppa Cuppa Granola because it's a cup of any of your nuts and fruits that you want to add to it. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is have 5 cups of old-fashioned oatmeal. You don't want minute oatmeal or anything because then it becomes too mushy. About a cup of almonds, cup of walnuts, cup of coconut, a cup of sunflower seeds, and a cup of pumpkin seeds is what we're going to be adding. So we'll go ahead and add that. I have about 5 cups of oatmeal and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon inside the bowl already. We're just going to all mix those up together. And we want to get those mixed in really good together. And nice and blended. Okay. Now, on the stove top, you're going to want to blend a cup and a half of honey and a cup of oil of your choice. You can use canola oil, you can use extra virgin olive oil, grapeseed oil. I have virgin oil, extra virgin oil, and regular honey. And you heat it up till it's blended together, and you just pour it on and mix it together. Blend it all up. You want everything evenly coated. Make sure it's all together good. And you can add apricots and pecans, peanuts, so forth. We'll add the fruits after it's done baking. So now what we're going to do, once it's all blended well, is we're going to add it to some baking sheets. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees. And we're going to end up baking this for 20 minutes. You can add this to parchment or tin foil, either one, on your pans. Okie dokie. Looks like it's ready, and we'll go ahead and put it in the oven for 20 minutes, and I'll be back with you when it's done. Okay guys, we got 10 seconds going. We're back to get ready for this granola. It'll go off in a couple of seconds. Okay. It was in an oven at 325 degrees for 20 minutes. So now now. Hold on. Oh. And two. Now what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to put it back in the bowl, and we're going to add our fruits, which will be, there's a cup of mango and a cup of raisins. And we're going to stir everybody together.
Okay.
Okay. So now that we got it back in the bowl, we're going to go ahead and add the fruit. This is mango, diced mango. And we got raisins. I'm going to mix it up again until it's all incorporated good. Mixed well. What's nice to make granola is for good snack foods. You can put it on your yogurt, eat it plain, make cereal out of it, add it to your oatmeal. And this one's a pretty good one. Okay. So we're going to put these back in the pans to let them cool and harden up. After it's all nice and cool, we're going to add the chocolate chips here to add a little bit more sweetness. And I'll show you a picture of that when it's done. Okay, you guys have a good day.
That's all, folks.